Understanding Sunday School Lesson. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have come across: Sunday School Lesson. Whether you're new to learning English or just curious about cultural phrases, this video is designed to unpack everything you need to know about this term. So, let's get started and explore its meaning, origins, and how it's used today. At its core, a Sunday school lesson refers to the educational material taught in Sunday school, which is a form of religious education typically provided to children and young adults. These lessons take place in churches, usually on Sunday mornings, and are aimed at teaching the principles of the Christian faith. However, it's important to note that the structure and content can vary widely among different denominations and local churches. The concept of Sunday school dates back to the 18th century, initially started as a way to offer basic education, like reading and writing, to children working 6 days a week. Over time, its focus shifted more towards religious instruction. Understanding this history helps us appreciate Sunday school lessons not just as educational tools, but as important traditions that have evolved alongside society. A typical Sunday school lesson might include stories from the Bible, moral discussions, and activities designed to engage students in the teachings of Christianity. These lessons aim to instill values, encourage spiritual growth, and foster a sense of community among attendees. They can range from structured curriculum to more interactive and discussion-based formats. Despite changes in society and the way we learn, Sunday school lessons continue to play a vital role in many communities around the world. They serve not just as a means of religious education, but also as opportunities for social interaction, personal development, and cultural continuity. For learners of English and scholars alike, understanding this phrase gives insight into a practice deeply embedded in many English-speaking societies. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and significance of Sunday school lesson. It's a phrase that encapsulates a rich history and a practice that remains meaningful to many people today. Whether you're learning English or interested in cultural phrases, knowing the context behind such terms can deepen your understanding of the language and the cultures it represents. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more topics with you in the future.